Welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl Trish Divine with another verbal connection. How are you doing, guys? I hope everyone is great. Mhm. Okay, so I'm gonna head right into the riddle of the day for you as usual. So, on your brain like a fiddle, this riddle. Tell me, if you threw a white stone into the Red Sea, what would it become? If you threw a white stone into the Red Sea, what does it become? You tell me, comment below and let me know what it becomes. All right, guys? Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to read the poem that I wrote for you today, guys. Here we go. Season your minds with love and let it marinate for all. Then light the fire of peace in your hearts with gratitude. Let it simmer in joy. Smell the aroma of happiness which on your senses fall. Plate out the goodness of unity. Taste, then share with a positive attitude. One more time, guys. Season your minds with love and let it marinate for all. Then light the fire of peace in your hearts with gratitude. Let it simmer in joy. Smell the aroma of happiness which on your senses fall. Plate out goodness of unity. Plate out the goodness of unity. Taste, then share with a positive attitude. What is my message for this poem, guys? You know, I don't know if any one of you remember, but you remember first time when people used to cook and when they cook it had that aroma. Usually they would say they cook with love in their hearts. So no matter what you give them to cook, it has this taste to it. It has this aroma that is so appealing, so arousing to your taste bud. You have to say to yourself, say, where them get them recipe? Where does this recipe come from? Guys, in everything, once you do it with love, then that means it's gonna come out tremendously tasty, tremendously beautiful. So if you marinate your life in goodness, in peace, if you cook up a storm of goodness, guys, then goodness will flow all over. The aroma will be in the air. Everyone will smell it. So my message to you is, in whatever you do, do it with love. Season your minds, guys, with love and make it marinate for everyone. Because this is the time when we need more love. This is the time when we need more togetherness, more unity, more happiness, more than any other time. This is when we need it. All right, guys? So season your mind, prepare your hearts, let it boil over, let it simmer, guys. Let love, let peace, let happiness reign. Because this is the time when we need more positivity than any other time in this lifetime. All right, so that's my message for you. We're gonna cook up a holy storm, yeah, and it go taste really good. You with me? Yeah, well, Chef Trish Divine is gonna be in the kitchen today, and we're going to cook up a holy stew. All right, guys. Okay, so the herb I have for you today is called borage, spelled Borage. Borage is a medicinal plant. It's also called star flower. STAR, and then flower, as you know, FLOWER. Google it. Kudos to Google, and you see the benefits of borage. All right, guys, it's been another positive session. I appreciate all the love and the support. Listen, I'm sending out loads of prosperity, loads of health, blessings for everyone. Keep praying for all our frontliners, guys. Keep praying for everyone, whether you know them, yes or not, because we are in a time when we need prayer more than anything else right now. And trust me, prayer no cost a dime. All right. Thanks again, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love from Trish Divine to everyone. Take it easy.